in today's video, we are in a thunderstorm, tornado type thing.
Everyone knows that.
So this video ends short. It's because of the goddamn tornado.
Or the Wi-Fi. But Emily's here, if you don't remember. That was like, I made the first video with her.
And I'm him.
And her brother. And we're all like in our basement with 11 water bottles and only 4 snacks.
Family, we're done.
And our charger and my laptop and everything.
Finally, it's posted. I'm not trying to.
So, yeah.
Our mom and dad.
Because they don't want to come down here. But this is going to be going on till 11 p.m. So me and her are going to be up till like 4 o'clock in the goddamn morning.
I'm gonna stay up overnight. You know I'm gonna stay up overnight.
No, you're not.
He's like,
So, the streets are flooded, and I'm at Emily's house, but my house, the electricity went out, no more. So,
I'm freaking out, people.
so like they can't charge their phones, they can't go on their
I'm
phones.
literally shivering. My heart is beating so fast.
So, I would show you guys, but we're down in the basement, and I'm pretty sure if we go upstairs, we will get yelled at. And there's like our windows down here, but there's like spiders and stuff in them.
I hate spiders.
So, yeah.
Well,
Ew.
would you rather have spiders crawl on you or be dead upstairs?
Spiders. Spiders.
Exactly. Spiders creepy though.
But yeah, we don't know how long this video is to be. I'm literally just walking around. But I'm scared because my baby cousin is really being born right now in this. My cousin's being...
So she has to.
No, her due date was May 27th. And today is June 4th, 2020.
No, her due date, not her due date. It's her water broke. So
No, she's pushing. So, I'm so excited if they get a picture. I'm so excited to see her. Yeah. But beside that, we're freaking out. We're trying to give Likey an update. I have to give TikTok an update too. So I'm probably going to let Emily do the Likey update and I'll do the TikTok.
Wait, I forgot to do my Likey.
And yeah. So...
If yours matters, that means mine matters.
Well, you're not famous like this.
So I want to go upstairs and show you guys. The road is flooded,
You can't go upstairs.
but we can't go upstairs. Like
Completely.
we're
flooded.
only downstairs. Her parents and her older sister are upstairs. We came here.
upstairs.
Her one sister is not on this floor. She's not on this floor, but she's on the floor above this one. So
She's on the higher.
she's on like the roof.
Second floor, basically, right?
Third actually, because this is the first, then up here is the second, and then there's another upstairs, which is the third, which Emily and her sister's room
You sure this video is not
are.
long enough?
It's been 3 minutes.
I
I actually may go live.
Really?
But Emily, like, she knows those dances. As me, I don't. I swear to God, if I plug my phone in and it turns the video off, I'm just gonna go live. Okay, it didn't turn off.
Why? It was perfect.
Just ignore these. But we have my laptop for entertainment. And AirPods if I freak out. Emily's making a video right now. So we have 11 water bottles
We already told them that.
and snacks. Yeah, I really don't know what to talk about now.
Should I do my
Yeah. I can sign into Likey or TikTok on here. yeah. So if this video ends, then we're just gonna go live.
Or we could literally just go live now.
Yeah. Oof.
Internet not working?
No.
Failed to upload already.
So
Or I'm banned. See, I'm banned.
you are.
Think I am.
We can't.
See, it doesn't pop up over here, but it pops up over here.
Okay. So we brought down hoodies and stuff. Like me and Emily, we weren't playing. We freaked out. So we grabbed her pillows, her comforter. We grabbed food, water, her laptop, like everything. We were just.
Ew!
This guy's funny. I think you should watch this part.
If this video ends, it's either the Wi-Fi's off, my phone dies, or my friend Jaden's calling me, which I have to answer. Because he was on the road.
He's probably
So-
at his house now.
He's not at his house. He's at his friend's.
Wait, that means his mom is on the road.
No, his mom stayed. So, yeah, we're really scared for him. Well, at least I am. I don't know about Emily or Jesus. But we
I
saw
don't
him
really
together. Well, she don't care, but I kind of do because he's a friend.
I have to do it without this hoodie on.
It's cold down here. That's why we brought it. This video's only been 6 minutes, and like, there's nothing interesting. I think everything stopped because we would have heard thunder. It's only like 7 something. What time is it, Haley? I don't even know.
8:11.
8:11? It's 8:11. Like, these windows. Shut up. But these windows don't really help because they don't show us, they're blurry. So, like, we would have to go upstairs to not like we're getting something and look at the window. Jesus, your charger.
We have chargers.
But what if you're using yours and I'm using
And
mine?
mine's dead.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go.
Well,
get
whoever
it.
has the most will take theirs out.
What if ours are both dead and his is dead too?
Well, we can both survive with your laptop. We can all survive with your laptop.
I'm just gonna get his charger. We're just gonna go upstairs to grab his charger. I'm gonna be quiet. This was gonna be like a fun vlog. Oh. It's just raining now.
Sorry, it's gonna get dark for a second.
Jesus! So, your dad's
Shadow
using your
band.
charger. Emmy shadow band.
Well, I'm
Daddy.
not. It happens all the time.
Why is my dad
But quick review. I'm Mackenzie, the blondie,
I'm Emily, the black.
long hair, and
I do not have one.
Don't hug me. No,
You
stop.
got no shirt on, brother.
and this is Jesus, the boy.
Go get some clothes on. You know what? I'll give him my hoodie.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Put on my hoodie.
So I did
Because it was
put
daddy's.
purple shampoo in my hair today, but I can't tell if it's blonde or not because obviously I'm on camera with you guys and it looks black, kinda.
Put it on.
So
He gave it to me.
Yes.
It's daddy's.
Because I can't see.
most of the time you're gonna hear Emily and Jesus.
Your head goes in there.
Oh,
he looks so cute.
But mostly you're gonna see me and Emmy.
Because he's probably going to fall asleep.
Yep. But this is Jesus.
Jesus, where are you sleeping? Do you want to sleep on the bed? Or, because I'll sleep on the couch right here if you
I'll
want.
sleep with you, Emily.
Aww. You can sleep with me. Come on. We'll sleep on this bed together.
I could get out of one bed and sleep on the couch.
No, me and Jesus. No, you're sleeping in the middle.
We need to share that big blanket. Oh wait, no, I have this
We're
one.
all sharing every blanket.
Okay.
We're gonna literally die together. If we die, we all die together.
But like nothing really interesting is gonna happen. So I'm
Right
probably
now.
gonna end this video, and if anything happens, I'll just go live. So, bye. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
You're gonna lay in the
and-
middle here.
Yeah, peace.